My name is Brandon. I'm part of Ikarus Motorsports now. I'll be working mostly behind the scenes, doing photo and video content for the guys. Just helping Trent out with Trent and Blaine with filming and doing photos for for the Instagram. So yeah, my background is in photo, so my video will be a little bit rough, but I do have some video experience, so just bear with me. Looking forward to improving with that. You'll see me around. You'll also be able to see this around. This is my 1983 Mazda RX-7. It's a driver car. I've had it for about 5 years, and I have a couple projects in store for it. It definitely needs some work. We'll be doing the rear end, hopefully, and the shifter over the winter to get started on some of the stuff it needs. All right, so this is my 1983 RX-7. It's a GS FB RX-7. Had it for about 5 years. It's definitely a driver's car, you know, and very rough around the edges. She needs quite a bit of work, but you know, I'll be getting to that. Definitely need to be driving it more. So getting projects, you know, started on it, get things sorted. So
Keep going, dude.
it's mostly stock, but you know, and I'm not gonna do anything crazy. This is you know, very period, very true to the car build as far as its character is concerned, because I want to keep that character and spirit of the car. It's very important to me. How the car drives, how the car feels and responds is really important. So yeah, I'll show you guys around some things on it and where it's at now, and so you can see how things change. Like,
Go. What are you talking? What do you need to show?
I'm just okay. Let's see.
You're the ultimate car yapper, and you're
Because I'm not talking.
Cameras in your face, bro, and you're like.
See, this is like...
Guys. Brandon. Dude never stops talking about cars, but as soon as I put a camera in his face, he's all nervous and giddy.
I don't disagree with that. All right. Where should
All right, let's talk about the exhaust, Brandon.
Yes, my falling apart exhaust. So I'll be replacing this exhaust. It's pretty crumbly, as you can see, and it's a lot worse than what you can't see. It probably exits more up about halfway about the car. So, yeah. It's a very smelly car.
It is.
But
Why
that's
is it smelly? Tell us about your tune.
by tune. You mean the carbs that aren't tuned that need to be rebuilt, and the timing that's off by 2 teeth. Yeah, so the car runs super rich right now. But a full carb rebuild and getting the motor retimed and having the carb tuned for the car will solve all that. So that is in the plan for next year, hopefully early next year, but we'll see how things progress. But yeah, I guess I'll show you guys around the interior a little bit. It's a little dark. My dome light's not working at the moment for right now. I need to fiddle with it. I think the contacts are a little low. The interior's pretty stock. The seats are pretty worn. They're very comfy, but they're pretty worn. Old velour and you know, vinyl. You have 4-spoke steering wheel. A little choke on the dash. Again, it's carbureted. I do have a Miata shifter in it with a top secret shift knob. And a little quartz clock, which isn't really on right now, but it does work. It holds time. Yeah, true 2-seater. It's got storage bins in the back. So we got storage bins here. This one's kind of broken, but you know, I keep.
Ooh, what'd you get from Target?
Nothing. It's an empty bag, and then I got some carbon choke cleaner in here. You know, just to be prepared. Lots of cargo space. We'll pop the hatch here and. You can do a lot of Costco runs with this car, surprisingly enough, you know, and put whatever you want back there. You might even be able to fit a person back there, but it'd be pretty tight. So, it's got louvers. These are period louvers. These were new when the car was new. I don't know if these ones were bought with the car when it was new, but these are, you know, around the same age as the car. They're aluminum. Yeah, this is a sunroof car. A sunroof on it. Let's see what else. I guess we'll pop the hood, take a look at the old triangles. It's a lot of vacuum lines. It's a little crusty. Yeah, it's a stock 12A, 2-rotor, Winkle rotary engine. We need to clean up this engine bay a bit, but I'll get there as we fix things. It's got a bit of an oil leak, you know, as old cars tend to do. A bit of coolant leak, but you know, the motor itself is pretty strong, runs pretty good. Just needs some carb work and retimes. Alrighty, well, that's my RX-7. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you boys in the